Welcome all of you. So we are back with our new session. Our today's workout is for losing our belly. हमारा जो एब्डोमिन है और जो साइड है उसका जो फैट है वो लॉस करने के लिए आज हम आपको कुछ 11 एक्सरसाइज दिखाने वाले हैं. सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द किड्स टू लूज द बेली वेट. हमको पता है कि बहुत सारे बच्चे अपने घर के बाहर वर्कआउट करने के लिए नहीं जा पाते, या तो जो घर पे हाउसवाइफ है या तो इवन मेल्स जो घर पे बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं, या तो अगर बाहर जाके किसी जिम में वर्कआउट करने का मौका नहीं मिल रहा है और अगर हमारा वेट बढ़ रहा है या तो हमारा जो एब्डोमिन पोर्शन है या तो साइड वेस्ट की जो साइड है उसका हमारा वेट बढ़ रहा है, तो उसको लॉस करने के लिए, वो वेट कम करने के लिए हम जो फैट है उसको कम करने के लिए जो एक्सरसाइज करनी है, तो हम आज आपको उसके लिए 11 एक्सरसाइज दिखाएंगे. सो वी विल स्टार्ट विथ अवर फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. बिफोर डूइंग दिस एक्सरसाइज यू आर सपोज टू डू योर वार्म अप वेरी वेल. हमको हमारा वार्म अप करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. किसी भी वर्कआउट को करने से पहले अच्छी तरह से वार्म अप करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो वार्म अप हमारे पास हमारे एथलीट्स हैं जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी वर्कआउट कर लिया, वार्म अप कर लिया है. We will start with our first exercise, that is punches. So ready all of you? Our first exercise is punches. Ready? Right and then left. Okay? Start. Fifteen punches each side. Okay, so our next exercise is knee touch crunches. Take a position, knee touch crunches. Very good. Back. Okay, start. Knee touch crunches. Very good. Upper body पे लाना है. Okay, very good. Very good. Knee touch crunches. 15 repetition. Okay, so our next exercise will be jumping jacks. Stand up all of you. Jumping jacks. Very good. So now the next exercise, that is mountain climber. Take your position. Very good. Mountain climber. First your right leg and then left. Bring your right leg near your knees. Very good. Start. Very good. Hold. Very good. So this is mountain climbers. 15 times each leg, 15 times. Okay, so our next exercise is plank. Plank. Just a plank. Hold your body on your elbows. This portion should be straight. Very good. Hold for 30 seconds. Hold for 30 seconds. Okay, so our next exercise will be burpees without jump. Burpees without jump. We have burpees exercise, but this is without jump. In burpees, For the elders we have jump, but here we have not included the jump. This is without jump. 15 burpees. Okay, so now the next exercise is ski hop. Ski hop. Start. Both with both the legs. हाथ के साथ. Both the legs together. This is ski hop. Okay, the next exercise we have running man. Side, side, side. Very good. So now next exercise is T-plank. T-plank position. Take your position. Very good. Now first your right hand. Right hand open करो और ऊपर देखो. Very good. Change your side left. Okay. So this is T-plank. 15 times each side. Okay, so our next exercise is scissor kicks. On your back, all of you. On your back, either. Lift your leg, both the leg. Scissor kick. Cross leg. Cross leg. Very good. After scissor kick, we have leg drops. Leg drops. Okay, change. Down on your back. Leg drops. 90 degree and bring down. Together. Okay. All of you together. Up, up, up. Very good. Drop down. Okay. Again up. Very good. Okay, relax. So that was our set for losing our belly. To lose the belly fat, these exercises are very important. You are supposed to do all these exercises 15 times, each exercise 15 times, and there should be 20-second rest between each exercise. So we'll be back with our new set. Till that time, have a nice day. Goodbye all of you.